must-sees in Italy.
Definitely one of my favorite points. Might need my knees replaced after this trip. That is gorgeous. These are our new Canadian friends. That's not funny, Peter. Whose abs are bigger? Oh goodness, where is this hotel? 7-minute ride to our first stop, Rigomore. Of more, even though it's raining, we can still actually see the cliff, so that's good. That's the first time I'm using my rain pack for my backpack, so that's kind of exciting. I'm surprised I haven't heard of this place before, you know?
How have you not heard of this? This and the Amalfi Coast were two must-sees in Italy.
So see the path that we're on. This goes like all around, and if you wanted to walk between all 5 points, it would be like a 5-hour walk. We're not gonna do that today. What we are gonna do is walk from here to the next point, and that's only about a 30-minute walk. And then we'll catch another train from that point to the 4th point, and then head out from there. So we're gonna see 3 of the 5 points. Oh, look at this. Oh my goodness. So cool. Definitely one of my favorite points so far. Ooh, those were some steep and narrow steps.
Not for the out of shape.
Yeah, definitely need to be in shape for doing this, which I'm not that in shape, so this is a little bit difficult. My knees are definitely killing me a little bit. We're walking over this way to get like the famous Rigomore shot. Right here, this is the money shot. This is what everyone wants to come and see in Rigomore.
So get off the train and go left.
Yeah.
Down a lot of steps and then back up over here.
Yep. So yeah, so I'm not sure. So you see that straight part there? That's where we dropped it off, and then we went wee, 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 bing, 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 and then here.
If you need your knees replaced, do it before you get here.
Yeah, I might need my knees replaced after this trip. I don't know how many like hundreds of miles we'll end up walking by the end of this trip. It's a little bit nuts. Because a local just told us that from this point to the next point is closed. It's really cool walkway with the fun music. All right, time to find out.
Oh, for the rain.
It's closed. Oh man.
Okay.
So this part's closed and then that part's closed. Like those 3 wouldn't be too hard to walk to.
Right, but
That's one point we want to go up to for sure. So basically, like each point you go to is like 220 euros. So it's not bad at all. And they do have a pass for 13 where you can like go anywhere on there and then back on the same day, like a day pass. But it's not really worth it unless you're going back to the same point. And we're not. We're continuing on. So the trains are only coming like every hour, probably because it's off season, but there's still quite a few people waiting. So we had like a 20-minute wait. We're just gonna skip the 2nd point and go on to the 4th. Peter looks ginormous now because I'm standing on a lower step. What? On the rocks?
Yeah. Well,
These are our new Canadian friends, Katie and James. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay. They're from Edmonton. We told them we loved Edmonton so much. So super fun to meet them. They were here for like, what, 4 months?
4 months.
In Switzerland. So they just get to like then tour all around. That's really cool. Just so
And it
gorgeous.
came right over the top of this. It was so crisp.
Look at this. That was so cool to meet that couple. Basically, I was like, wait, Peter, are we at the right station? This one says the other one. And James goes, no, you're in Vernazza. I was like, okay, good. And then we just started talking, and I think one of the reasons that it was so cool to talk with them was because they're from Canada. So we have a full-blown conversation in English and understand each other. It was so great.
That was amazing just looking at her pictures and seeing the difference when there was sun and no sun.
Oh yeah. They had really good pictures yesterday with the sun.
But did you see the difference?
Oh yeah.
Because like, I mean, these buildings came alive with so much more color.
Yeah. They are actually going to hike in this weather, but it is definitely getting a little bit chilly. And I know I'm making this face. This is my face that I'm cold and wet and I want to be warm.
Sun down there?
Where? What sun?
Peek over the edge.
That's not funny, Peter. I was really thinking that you saw sun that I didn't, and it was gonna come out. Made it to the lookout. This is gorgeous, even in the rain. When a place is this pretty, when it's raining, I just can only imagine being here when it was sunny. So someday I definitely would love to walk the 5 hours between all 5 of these points without my backpack on, and also preferably when it's sunny. Ooh, and there's like a little castle. I think my camera likes the rain. No, the zoom in feature just sounded super weird. Look at this cactus! This totally belongs on the Happy Hoppe channel. Peter finally stopped and is ready to turn around. Go back to the train station. It's crazy how busy this trail is, even for a rainy day. Because the paths do go up and down and around and follow the coastal line, the walkway between these 5 coastal villages is the length of the Great Wall of China. That's crazy! We're actually going to Genoa, but the one actually in Genoa stopped for a half an hour in one of the other Cinque Terre coastal towns. It works, we still will see 3 of the 5. Peter is loving this. Picture after picture. Still going. Is this not our train? Is this not ours?
You did stop late.
Oh, look at how far that went. Expecting a really tiny town. So right now we're having a bit of trouble with Google about which way to go. Google Maps has been seriously like so helpful. But sometimes it doesn't have you pointed in the right direction or walking the right direction or the pin in the right place. So right now it's one of those moments where I'm trying to figure out where to go. I knew my €1 bracelet that I got in Rome wouldn't last long. But I did expect it to make it out of Italy, but No, it's already broken. That's all right. It made me happy for that moment, I guess, but that's why I'm not buying souvenirs, especially cheap souvenirs. Thanks, Peter, for getting that for me.
You're welcome.
Sorry, it already broke.
Hey, when you're on entertainment, it's cheap.
Yeah, exactly. What a dark alley. Oh goodness, where is this hotel? So for lunch, we really just had crackers. And now it's 5:30, and there's like several places around here, but they don't open till like 7:30 for dinner. And I'm like, I can't wait 2 hours now. It's a 3-minute walk and has really great reviews. So let's go check it out. It's so funny that we're here at 6 o'clock, but this is early for dinner, so we're the only people in here. So I'm really thankful this place was open. They homemade the pasta here. And Peter got lasagna.
So good.
Looking on the camera, this like looks really gross, but trust me, it's not. It's so good. So I got it the typical Genoa way. Spinach ravioli with walnut sauce, sprinkled with some Parmesan. And it is amazing. I would have never thought to put walnut sauce on pasta.
Have you even heard of walnut sauce before?
No, I've never heard of walnut sauce. I didn't even know that was a thing, but it's really good. It came in just under 20 euros. And so then we said, well, you know, go ahead and keep the change. In America, when you say that, the most you're gonna get is like 99 cents. Like, it's not gonna be like that much. But here, when you say that, you can get up to 4.99 euros and it'd still be change. Oh my goodness, it's ab part 2. Whose abs are bigger? Whose abs are bigger? These ones are exact. So the funny thing is, at that restaurant, I actually ordered the extra large pasta. He like repeated like 3 times, like, this is 300 grams. Like, are you sure you want like the extra large? And I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna share it with Peter, it'll be fine. So the funny thing is, like, that portion was like a small portion at like Olive Garden or something like that. I feel full, but like I could still even eat more. So it's just crazy that he's like, are you sure you want the extra large? And I'm like, yes, I want the extra large. Like such a creepy dark alley people. Peter's not creeped out, but I am a little bit. With Peter, so I said I'm creeped out a little bit. If you weren't here, we freaked out a lot. This is definitely like one of the more like sketchier places we've stayed so far. The hotel itself is fine, but around the hotel,
Wouldn't recommend it.
no.